love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. Now, this whole month we're teaching you the phrase being fearful of something or you're afraid of something, but it doesn't have to be with being scared about something. It could be about, let's say, you have this fear or you're afraid to talk to someone because maybe that person is someone you like or maybe that person looks kind of mean. 其实有时候我们会说怕跟人家讲话那个怕有可能是因为对方看起来很凶啊，还有什么你知道吗？男生很喜欢那个女生的时候，我也会很怕跟她讲话啊。
为什么？
对啊，会害羞啊。
哎呦，我也很怕跟你讲话啊，因为你都讲英文啊。
哎呦，你英文很好啊。Okay, let's put you in that scenario. Okay, that you're afraid to talk to someone because of a reason. But first of all, how do you say 怕或受惊吓这样子？
臭姜。
臭姜。Okay, but remember, 臭姜其实有点是受惊吓，而不是所谓的怕那样子嘛。但姜的话就是怕了 ，right？好 ，I was afraid to talk to you in the past. 我以前都很害怕跟你说话。
爱跳高。
爱跳高。
都懂姜。
都懂姜。
老唔讲法。
老唔共发跟你讲话就是老唔共发，对不对？To talk to you, okay, 老唔共发，but 懂讲就是很怕。I was afraid to talk to you in the past, okay? What? Do I look mean to you?
愛看起來。
愛看起來。
懂惡黑毛。
懂惡黑毛。就是凶 ，that means mean
那如果真的很凶的时候，就懂惡。
懂惡就是非常凶 ，very mean. Okay, do I look like that to you? 然后人家对方可能说对啊，认识你才知道你人很好。很多人说是这样子
面恶心善。
All right, yeah. After getting to know you, you're actually very nice.
嘿啊，是張迪，人懂好啦。
懂好啦，懂好 that means good. You look very nice, okay? All right, well, let's review some of these phrases. I think these are all very practical and useful. 其实这边教的几个单词都还蛮好用的哦，包括以前 in the past.
跳高
that means in the past. To speak, to have a conversation. 说话讲发，然后凶OK 要打嗝的
对
那你很好 OK 人很好，很好怎么说？
懂好
That means you are nice actually. And it's all about the phrase afraid or you're scared of something. Okay, 受惊吓。
臭姜
There you have it. That is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
單詞四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.